feel challenge is something that makes life interesting too. There's no substitute to hard work.
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है।
Coming back to the Chennai, playing with the superstar here, and
He'll get century in this IPL.
It was different when I saw Dhoni getting angry for the first time.
He got angry 2 times this year. I think everyone knows.
Both times he was somehow involved.
Out of these 7, who's the richest?
Richest? Sir Ravindra Jadeja. Thirambi Venditum Sollu.
Well, my association with Chennai and CSK has been for a very long time. Also the fact that over the years, the kind of support we have got from the fans, irrespective of how we have been doing on the field, they have always come, they have always supported us. I was having this long hair for a very long time, so I
Right.
thought, थोड़ा चेंज करते हैं एंड द बेस्ट थिंग मेरी वाइफ बोलती है अगर मैंने तुझे देखा होता बड़े बाल में ना तो मैं कभी शादी नहीं करती तो मैंने कोशिश किया बढ़ाने का
We all know you share an incredibly amazing bond with Ziva, your daughter. I'd actually love knowing if you actually have any future plans for her and where do you see her future going?
She will have to figure out what she wants to do and what she is good at. So, hopefully she'll make us proud.
We see that from 2008, it's been always that CSK would be in the semi-finals no matter what. So I just want to know how do you make it so easy for CSK to reach that level?
I promise it's not easy.
Stand quickly for a photo and then we'll throw these into the crowd.
The fans have, they waited last couple of years and those are the couple of years where our fan following actually grew. So I would like to thank them for, always being there even when we were not there. I think there's no substitute to hard work.
The newer generation, we are always so much focused about the result that we don't follow the process.
Give your 100% and be honest to yourself. A lot of times we are not honest to ourselves. Problem है लेकिन accept नहीं करना है कि problem है.
Keep winning, keep enjoying the performance and keep moving forward.